Yeah, Kanye finally released the goods. We're sitting here with our sunnies on. Yes, and we've got the goods, dolls. We have got the goods. Hi dolls, it's your girl Teshiamonique back again. I have an exciting haul video that I'm super excited to share with you dolls, and this is the elephant in the room. What I'm wearing, the Yeezy Vulture collection finally arrived. When I tell you that I have been stalking my mailbox, my mailman, my neighborhood for this package to arrive, I have been stalking and waiting this so patiently because dolls, this is June the 4th. Tell me why I ordered this back in January. Okay, so I was thinking, yeah, $20 a piece. Yeah, no problem. It's gonna sell out. The girls and guys are gonna eat this drop down. But I never expected to be waiting by the mailbox for months and months and months. So Yeezy, yeah, Kanye finally released the goods. I got all my items in one shipment, which I was super excited about because a lot of girls and gents have been saying that they received like one piece here, one piece there during the extended duration of the time that they've been waiting to receive their products. So I wanted to just, as soon as I got this, I said, oh my God, I've got to jump on. I've got to film this for my dolls and my guys. I had to do it in a long French braid. I had to do it in my Cyclone shades and just give all of the vibes. So that's who we are today. We're sitting here with our sunnies on. Yes, and we've got the good dolls. We have got the good. Just a very simple mailer, as you dolls can see, but the quality is top tier. I can already tell. Love this. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull the pieces out, I'm thinking, and then as I pull out the pieces, I will show you guys, just split screen me with the items on. I think I'm gonna style them kind of up and down. I'll put a heel on with them, but I also will put on a 450, a 350, and of course the pods, because I did order a pair of the pods. So my fingers are crossed that everything fits nice. So far so good. I didn't want to go through it too much because I wanted this to be a true unboxing, first impressions, but I am wearing one of the pieces that I was the most excited for. I was like, oh my God, when I took it, I was like, it's gonna be too big. It looks so oversized. But I really love the shape of it, and I'll insert it here. So let me scoot over so we can do the presentation. But I really love the shape of it. I think it's a great quality, definitely heavy duty. It is not hot, but it is a thick material. So for a Houston girl like myself, I don't know how much wear I would get out of this except for maybe late nights, evenings, during the summer and even the fall months. But definitely for late fall for me, and going into the winter when we're transitioning, I think that this is going to be so hot, so tea. Or if I had like a dinner day with the hubs, or if we went to the movies or something, my mom and I, then I would definitely be looking to throw something on because I want to wear it. As you guys can see, I'm so excited. And it may not be giving what it needs to give on camera, but I definitely get the vibes from this. It feels expensive. It feels elevated. The quality is top notch. And I think it's one of those things where if you know, you know. And when you see this on, it's kind of like, okay, it's not giving much if you don't know. But if you do know, you're like, oh, okay, that's Vulture. That's Yeezy Vulture. She knows. She knows about it. And you know the vibes. So I really love this. For me, they're just like something that really brings the vibe. So this is something I would definitely pull on. As far as like dressing it down, I think these will be super cute with it. I wish mine were a little bit shorter because I think when Yeezy wears his is kind of a little short. So I may do them like that just to give, you know what I mean, like an elevated kind of look. But either way, if I don't cuff them up down, I think they're just baggy enough that they're loose, they're cute, but they're not too big, like too oversized. So I think that, you know, if you go with the regular, like universal sizing, like a small is a small, a medium is a medium, that you'll be straight depending on how you want your fit to go. But this would also be really cute. Hello, airport vibes. Yeah, we're traveling, we're stylish, we're comfortable, but we're still cute. We're still giving looks, we're still serving. Looks good. But look how cute. I think it's cute, dolls. I'm really enjoying the line. I really like this shirt. I'm ordering me another one because look how the sleeves is just eating. Look how the sleeves is just set up like that. I was thinking that this doll would be a little bit too oversized or not giving, but it's just the right, this is just the right size. I think I have sized down as far as my body weight, so I was thinking that everything I ordered would be too big, but I feel like I got this to fit oversized. And if I would have been a little bit not where I am now on my weight loss journey, that this probably would have fit a little tighter than I wanted it to. So I'm actually super excited with the timing and all of that good stuff and how things came out. So if you're interested in seeing all of these hot pieces that I copped during the Yeezy Vulture drop for $20 a piece from Yeezy Supply, then dolls, just stay tuned. Okay, dolls, so I actually did take off my sunnies for just a second so that I can read the packaging label for you dolls and so that I can remember what I got, because dolls, it has been a long time, so I don't even know what I got. Okay, so what I picked up was I got the Yeezy 1T in black, which is what I'm wearing. It's short sleeved. And then I just got one of those. I was thinking, oh, and then the size is a number 1. So I think the number 1, if I'm not mistaken, is a size small. A 2 is a medium, and then I think it went up from there. So I did get this shirt in a size 1, which is a small. I also got the Yeezy white Vulture pants, and this I got them in, I got 2 pairs. I got one in a black and I got one in a white. I got both. I got the white pants in a size 2, which is a medium, and I got the black ones in a size 1, which is a small, only because I heard that they run so big. Okay, and then I also got the Yeezy pods. I got them in a size 1. I'm sorry, I got them in a size 2, which was a medium. So hopefully they're not too big. And then I also got the long sleeve Yeezy shirt in cream, a size medium. And I got the wet romper, which I think was a one size fits all. I may have gotten a medium in it. It says number 2 out to the side of it, so I'm assuming it's a number 2. But I'm just gonna kind of pull the things out in no particular order. But I guess we'll start with the wetsuit. Girl, this is tiny. She is real skinny, honey. Oh my God. Wow, this is the medium. I know it's supposed to fit tight. As far as the quality, it's very much cotton. It's giving like a wet seal type. It is tiny. I know it's supposed to fit tight. This is a number 2 as far as the size, but girl, I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna probably have to put an undergarment, but I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it's giving baby Gap, baby Abercrombie. I don't know, girl. She is small. It's really, really small. So, I mean, I know it's supposed to fit tight. I was thinking it was more of like a silky nylon type, wet type material, but it's cotton. I feel like if you wet it, it may mess up. And I feel like if you stretch it, which once I put the girls in here, the letters are already kind of coming apart a little bit, as you can see. So I'm not too sure about that. I'm a little underwhelmed. Girl, BFF. Oh my God, this was definitely not what I was expecting, but I'm gonna give her a try. I definitely will try it on and let you all see it. I would have to pair this with a blazer, get a really cute blazer to go over the wetsuit, and probably like with some boots or something, with like an ankle boot or something cute like that, or even maybe my 450s. I'm not sure, but yeah, so that was that. Definitely not impressed as far as first impressions goes with that wetsuit. Wasn't expecting that, so hopefully the rest of the stuff is a little bit better. Okay, I also got the Yeezy long sleeve album cream. Now this is giving, I like this. This is more true Yeezy because I do have a couple of other pieces from some of his tour pieces. So it looks like this. Really nice quality, really thick, really heavy. I love the way the neck is cut on this. I think that's super cute, and this will be perfect for the
Look
fall.
at that collar. Hello.
So it just
look at that. Hello, collarbone. I love the way this shirt
I think this would be so cute with leggings or tights or even the sweatpants during the fall. And I got this in the number 2, as you dolls can see. But I think the quality is really good, especially for $20. I don't think you could beat that. And just to be part of the whole like drop, the movement, all of that stuff, I think this is really good. Then I also got the Vulture sweatpants. Oh, they're really good quality. Wow, these are really nice. Straight out the package or out of the shipment. It's got 2 little drawstrings here, as you dolls can see. Really oversized, but not really. You know what I mean? I love the size. I think it's a good size because it gives the vibes. And it's just gorgeous. Like, I like the cut of it. Like, you see me with these Yeezy 450s on, right? But you could easily, I probably wouldn't wear these because the shirt is similar. I wear the black, or I would do the wave runners. I like the way the sleeves are fitting and hanging. It just looks like elevated, right? Not necessarily these, but I just grabbed them from behind me to style it. Because I think that these are just a clear heel. It lets the outfit shine on its own. You know what I mean? As far as a handbag goes, I probably would put my Chanel, to be honest, because I just think that that's like money vibes. Like, okay, we're here, we got the outfit on, we're giving, you know what I mean? I think it's just really cute. Absolutely love it. I think these will go good with some Zara heels too, and I need to get a mic to pin on me, but this is the vibe. For sure. I think I would dress it up because the outfit is so dressed down that I feel like I would need to dress it up and pair it with some pieces that are more dressy. So that's it. That's the 4 items. And then I also picked up the other, I didn't get 2 black. See, they didn't mess up. They gave me 2 black pants and I had a black and a white. They gave me 2 black pants and I had a black and a white. All sales are final. There's no way to like return, exchange. So Kanye, baby. Now I'm mad because I wanted the white. Because I wanted the black with the black. I was going to do the black on black, which this is not even really black. It's kind of like a off black or even a gray. And then I was going to do the cream or the white pants with the Vulture album shirt. So now I can't even pull the look. So I got 2 black pants. Are they even the correct size? I guess they said, girl, you just be glad you got your package. I don't know. I got they gave me a number 2 in both, but they pulled the wrong color. So, but I'm kind of mad about that. And then the last thing I got, girl, was the Yeezy Pods. Number 2. This is what the bag is giving. This is what the packaging is giving, okay? So hopefully these are about something. Let's see. Okay. I feel like Yeezys for $20, like, let's talk the tea. The Yeezy Pods are, I mean, for $20 for a pair of Yeezys, if you're a Yeezy head or a sneaker head, then that alone is giving. And I'm so excited. I know these are gonna fit and I'm super excited to wear these. I could see them snagging easily if you weren't careful with them. The pod is nice on the bottom. This reminds me of the Yeezy 450s. The soles on those, if you know, you know. And so I think these are gonna be fire. I would actually go back and repurchase another one Yeezy 1T short sleeve, and then I would get some more pods just because for $20, hello, this is definitely an investment piece. That way I could really like wear one pair, not dog them out or hull them out, but just have one in case they get messed up, if they get wet, whatever the case may be, and then have like a backup pair or a spare for $20. You can't beat that. So I think that would be cute with the wetsuit dolls. I don't know if I'm gonna try to squeeze into this to show y'all, because I don't have a proper blazer, I don't think, like a sporty kind of blazer to wear with it. So we'll see if I end up showing that, because you know the body gonna be bodying, and then that, oh my god, it's white at that, I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna see. So this is a tank. Oh, I like it as a tank, baby. Get into this as a tank. What? Eating the girls down with the Vulture sweats. Baby, this is the look with this. This. girls are like, I don't wear a lot of baggy clothes, I don't know how to style it, but girl, you just do what you do and just finesse it. You just gotta finesse your outfits, finesse your pieces, right? You gotta not be afraid. And this is so hot. Like, what? I would wear this, and I am gonna wear this. I'm hanging this up here in my beauty room. This is so nice. The body, as far as like the comfort, they're definitely comfort. This is giving like high quality cotton. I mean, that's all it's giving. Other than the name, I don't know. The pods I think are gonna hit. Like I said, the Yeezy One shirt, and probably the Vulture album shirt, is the long sleeve shirt, is gonna be nice, but I'm not even gonna try to be wearing that around Houston anytime soon. So in the fall, once it starts getting cooled off, I definitely will. That'll be a piece that I grab for with the sweats. So I'm a Yeezy head, so I'm excited about that. Overall, I am impressed with the line. I definitely would say go ahead and cop, get your order in. If they still have pieces, I will insert a little blurb and let you guys know if it's still available. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, dolls, I'll see you in the next one.